Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Monday, March 21, 2022. The markets finished strong on Friday's options expiration day, and I figured what we would look at this morning is what has happened historically following options expiration day. So let me go ahead and get this set up. I'm going to grab all four instruments. The setup we'll be looking at is based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time and exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently, the market is trading a little bit lower, so I would normally come in and click on gap down, but since we're so close to the prior day close, I'm just going to leave that out because it's probably a 50-50 chance on if we're going to gap up or down this morning. So I'll just leave that out. That way it doesn't end up being a study based on something that absolutely is not true. We can at least leave it out, and it will be applicable for today's session. So let me go ahead and keep moving down. I'm going to go down to the indicators, and I'm going to say yesterday or Friday closed above two different moving averages. I'm going to grab them from the active today section. So I'm going to use a short-term moving average of above a 10-day simple moving average. And then if I go down a little bit lower, we'll grab the 200 from there as well. So both of those have been added to the test here, above a 10 and above a 200-day simple moving average. Next, in the market events, this is where I can grab day after options expiration day. So if I go to active today over here, the bottom option, day after options expiration, click on that. It's been added. These active today are telling you what is true for today's session out of all the different factors that we have available. So that just makes it easy to find them. All right, now I can click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when it is the day after options expiration day, and options expiration day finished above a 10 and 200-day simple moving average. Historically, we've got 120 samples here in the S&P, 119 in the NASDAQ, 120 in the Dow, 101 in the Russell. Win rates on these just slightly favored. S&P coming in 53%. The NASDAQ 66%. That's the strongest out of all of them. The Dow 57%. The Russell 53%. So all of these just slightly favored, with the NASDAQ being the strongest at 66%. If we go to the average moves, you'll see the average win is larger than the average loss in the S&P. That's not the case for the NASDAQ. NASDAQ has that stronger win rate, but the average loss is a little bit larger than the average win. For the Dow, the average win is larger than the average loss, and then for the Russell, the average loss just a little bit larger than the average win, but both of those are pretty similar in size. So historically speaking, I don't see a huge difference in average moves here, and win rates on them are a little bit skewed towards the upside, with NASDAQ being the strongest of the group. 66% of those have closed above the open on that day after options expiration day. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We'll see you next time.